Yeah, we brought you in today to say that you won the bursary.
No way!
Yes, it's true.
Yes. Oh my God, that's awesome.
We brought you in today to say that you won the Northern Bursary.
Really? Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. I'm just so overwhelmed and so happy.
I'm just like, I don't know what to say. It's amazing. And my son, Phoenix, actually helped me write the initial story like about 2 years ago.
It was a great course. I feel like I learned a lot. I'd never written like any screenwriting type thing before, so it was definitely really cool to do.
It resonated when you said to us that you have a bunch of other stories kicking around too.
I do. I have about 10 of them. All I do is write.
There you go.
And I'm so happy I had the opportunity to be part of the course.
Right on. Well, the party is just beginning.